So far, I've taken a 8.45% hit and I've outperformed TQQQ by 23.25%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real time journey of growing my portfolio from zero to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. This is day 28 update, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. But before that, a quick disclaimer: this channel serves as my personal investment journal and is not a financial advice. So always do your own research before investing. And TQQ is a high risk ETF, and investing a large amount at once is dangerous. So I personally follow a SIP approach with strict risk management to navigate volatility. As always, I started my analysis by reviewing the previous day's candlestick on the daily time frame to determine my investment limit for the day. My strategy follows a strict rule based on the 12 EMA to identify market trends and decide how much to invest. If both the opening price and closing price are above the 12 EMA, it signals an uptrend, meaning I should invest a smaller amount. If both are below the 12 EMA, it confirms a downtrend, which requires me to allocate a higher investment to take advantage of lower prices. However, if either the opening price or closing price is below the 12 EMA, I still consider it a downtrend and follow the higher investment limit. Looking at yesterday's data, I noticed that while the opening price was above the 12 EMA, the closing price has dropped below it. This indicated a potential continuation of the downtrend. Based on this, I followed my downtrend investment rule, setting my investment limit between $200 to $250 for the day. After that, I switched to the 5 minutes time frame to find an ideal entry point. TQQQ opened below the 12 EMA. I waited for the bounce back to get a better confirmation. This bounce happened at 8:50. At that point, I executed my trade, buying 4 units at 62.81, investing a total of $251. At the end of the trading session, TQQQ closed at 62.30, marking a 1.70% decline for the day. Now, let's take a look at portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $62.60, with the latest TQQQ price closing at 62.30. This brings the market value of my holdings to $57.31. My average cost per unit is currently 68.05, meaning I'm sitting on a net loss of $529, which translates to a 8.45% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 31.70%, but my portfolio has declined by only 8.45%. This means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 23.25% so far. This demonstrates the effectiveness of my hybrid SIP strategy, which helps mitigate downside risk while allowing me to accumulate more units at lower prices. By following my structured approach, I continue to reduce my average cost while staying ahead of TQQ's overall decline. So that wraps up day 28 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.